Jerry Middleman Battaglia out here in Florida. I'm just driving down one of the main roads taking me to where I need to go, and I just seen this awesome place that says Pecans and Candies, and I'm not sure what this place is, but check this out, guys. There's hundreds of classic cars here. I wouldn't say hundreds, I would say maybe about 30 to 50, but look at this, guys. Old 56 Chevy here. Old pickup. I mean, there's stuff all over the place. Some old pickups in the back, and another old Ford pickup here. It's a Camaro. A NASCAR, some old cars, old Ford. It's a Mercury Marlin fastback. That's pretty wild. I wonder what motor's in there. 343. What makes the Marlin, guys? Never seen this before. I think it's badass. Excuse my language. Wow, all these classic cars. Got an old tow truck here. Old Falcon. There's a Dart. This place is so cool. I'm not sure if there's a way to get in here, but I would love to get in here. A lot of classic cars, guys. Pretty wild. Old Buick in the back there. There's old Box Nova, 4-door. Check this out. That's a split bumper Camaro. Old Ford truck. That's how I learned to drive on one of these bad boys when I was about 10 years old. Here's a Camaro. It's like a split bumper. Pretty wild, guys. So finding some classic cars on my road trip down to Florida. Guys, like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Finding classic cars all over the United States now. Oh, there's another Camaro back here. But it's pretty awesome. I wish there was a number to contact. I did leave my numbers, but there's like some trading posts here. So again, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Finding hundreds of classic car videos, finding hundreds of classic cars and trucks all over the United States now, guys. Down here in Florida, keep an eye out. I'll be posting a lot of stuff. So cool. This place is awesome. It's at 22103. Guess I'm on Route 320 in Florida, going down to Ocala area. Alright, guys, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. Jerry Middleman Battaglia coming to you right now from Florida. Have a great day.